Hey guys, the Skrill prepaid card is one of the easiest ways to spend your Skrill balance anywhere. MasterCard is accepted. Here's how to get it. Start by making sure your Skrill account is fully verified. Identity, address, and secure profile setup. Once done, go to Cards and Crypto. Hit Skrill card. Click Order Now. Skrill will ask you to choose your card currency. Pick the one you spend in the most often to avoid conversion fees. Then confirm your delivery address. You will see the card issuance fee and the annual maintenance fee. Approve the charges and your physical card is shipped within 3 to 7 business days depending on your region. Once you receive the card, activate it inside the Skrill app by entering the last digits and setting your PIN. After activation, you can start using the card instantly for online shopping, in-store purchases, ATM withdrawals, subscription payments. Pro tip, enable Skrill security alerts for card activity. It protects you against unauthorized transactions. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.